Oh my golly wow, I achieved my chicken feet macaroni soup. First, just heat the butter and the margarine. I combine together so more tastier, why not? And of course, we need to add some onions and lots of garlic para mas masarap. Why not coconut? I'm so excited. Namiss ko ang sopas. Di ba? Basta New Year, gusto ko kasi sopas talaga. And then add the chicken feet and put some 2 pieces of nor cubes and season with the fish sauce. Ulala, smells good. And just bring to boil, add some salt and pepper on it. Oh wow. And macaroni noodles. And because I'm running out of macaroni noodles, I put some pasta, spaghetti pasta here. I just cut into 2 inches long. And now, I'm going to add my vegetables, celery, beans, and carrots. Para more healthier carrots is good in beta-carotene. And of course, I'm adding here an evaporated milk. I'm using an Alpine. And to more creamier, I'm going to add my secret weapon. You know what is it? It's the Nestle cream. And it's an option if you like to add cheese, it's okay. Much better, much creamier, and cheesier, of course. And that's it. Final touch, the shredded Chinese cabbage. Those vegetables that I add here was given by Bay Chloe Lemit. So shout out to Bay Chloe Lemit. Thank you so much. Oh my God, I saw my husband tasting. Can't resist to taste my sopas. He smells it. He likes it. At nakialam sa kitchen ko. Now, it's serving time. And let's eat, guys. I'm so excited to sip in and eat my chicken macaroni with chicken feet, of course. Ooh la la. Happiness overload again. Solve na solve ang aking tummy. What a great day. Great weekend, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your weekend too. Tara, sino pang hindi pa nagmerienda? Thank you for watching.